Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel back. And after all, I record one session daily so that I can improve my English speaking. And today is the topic that never mind if you are going backward, your work is going bad, whatever is going on negativity. But one thing keep in your mind that you have to be keep promising yourself that you will raise one step forward toward your health, toward your activity, toward your career. Okay, don't think negativity. Only think negativity can sick you. Okay, you can fall sick, but you cannot raise your success. You have to be go forward. Okay, go forward, not backward, because sometimes it can depend on your luck. Sometimes let it be go whatever is going on, because it is not in your luck. How much hard work, the 80% 90% is the hard work, but the 10% is depends on your luck. That if it is in your luck, then it will comes to you. If it is not, then it will not comes to you. Because I have seen, I have worked hard. Many people's work hard and they are not success. It doesn't mean they have not do hard, their hard work. Failure means it doesn't, it, they did not do hard work. They did not give their direction, and it is not their luck. Okay, you can say it. So I have just one thing, that whatever is going on, just let it be go. जो आपके समझ में आता है उसको काम करने, उस पे फोकस करिए और उस पर ट्राई करें। जो आपकी किस्मत में है वो लौट के ही आएगा, चाहे वो सक्सेस की बात हो, चाहे वो कैरियर की बात हो, या फिर किसी चीज़ की भी बात ले लें हम। अगर आप उसी डायरेक्शन में अच्छे से काम करते हैं, अगर फिर भी आपका काम नहीं होता, आप सक्सेस नहीं हो पाते हैं, इट डजंट मीन यू डिड नॉट डू हार्ड वर्क, इट मीन्स इट इज़ नॉट इन योर लक. Okay, you have to be go, you always have to be two options in your life. because अगर आप एक ऑप्शन पर डिपेंड होते हैं, वो ऑप्शन नहीं होता. आप एक चीज़ लेके चलते हैं, सिर्फ पढ़ाई पढ़ाई करते हैं, कोई स्किल्स आपके पास नहीं है. मान लीजिए इन द केस अगर यू विल नॉट सक्सेस इन स्टडी, देन व्हाट विल यू डू? यू विल लाइफ टाइम रिग्रेट दैट व्हाई you have not skilled yourself in any way. Okay, so skilled your in any direction. The person, if you are a man, you can skill yourself in the technology. It is very important, computer, and in mobile shop you can repair machines also. And you can go for the driving, and I can say mechanic is also one thing, you can learn it. And if you are a girl, you can go for your skin care, like beauty parlors, stitching. Not if you are want to do learn something, that स्टिचिंग एंड आप एम्ब्रॉयडरी सीख सकते हैं, कुछ भी सीख सकती हैं. इफ़ यू आर अ गर्ल, you have a many option, because you also want to earn, make money. You have to be financially free. You cannot depend on a father, brother, husband, on any person. Okay, you have to be try to free, financially free. Okay, so this is my today's topic. I don't know what to speak, because I didn't scripted. It is my own way to speak English and to convey whatever I think. I not scripted anything that I have to be speak this, I have to be say this today and yesterday this. Okay, I will do after the 10k of the subscriber, when I will get, and the many of the peoples I will get to who is interested in to learn speak English. Okay, so now now it is the time to go. Thank you so much, guys, everyone. Bye bye, take care, and keep watching and keep supporting me so that I can do whatever I think. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video.